so welcome to a day in the life vlog. Today is Sunday, January 22nd. Yes, so today is just gonna be kind of like a rest, preparing for the week type of day. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. So yesterday was a pretty busy day for me. I actually got a new camera. I got the Sony ZV-1, which is what I'm using now. And I didn't realize that you had to format your SD card. So I filmed like a bunch of stuff yesterday to do like a weekend in the life vlog. All those videos are gone. My dad's gonna try and like see if he can retrieve them, but I don't know. Either way, if he does retrieve them, there's not much I can do because by the time that happens, I'm not even gonna need those videos. But I mean, I will let him try because I still at least want to have them with me. So yeah, if you get a new camera, make sure to format your SD card. But yeah, so I decided to just make today a day in the life vlog on like a Sunday. So hopefully you all enjoy this and kind of enjoy coming along with me as I get ready for the week. So I'm actually about to start making some breakfast. I'm having a very simple breakfast today. Waffles and chicken sausage. Oh, the lighting in my apartment is just not the greatest because I have like if I face this way, lighting is perfection. No. So yeah, I'm about to make some chicken sausage and 2 waffles and just eat that for breakfast. I think I'm gonna make some coffee because I need it. Pivot. That's literally the word of the year at this point. I had to pivot and make something else for breakfast because I accidentally bought frozen pancakes instead of frozen waffles, and I don't like frozen pancakes. So I just went ahead and made oatmeal. It's just really easy to make, and I'll probably end up having a bigger lunch so that way I don't need to eat a big breakfast. Yeah, so great job, Jas, for buying the frozen pancakes. But I'll go ahead and eat breakfast, and then I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. I'm about to sit and work on editing this vlog. Actually, I need to plan out the rest of my day. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I do to plan out my day. Technically I'm starting late because I woke up late, but I'm gonna show y'all how I plan today, and then I'm gonna also show you how I plan my like days during the week. So on my iPad I have the app Good Notes, and here is where I have my what is the word I'm looking for? Digital planner. And so my digital planner, I believe it's in, I always forget which one it's in. I think it's in planner files. No, where did I put it? Oh, 2023 planner. Okay. Whew. I got nervous. Okay. So it's like this, I don't know, like 600 page document that I got from Etsy. I purchased it off Etsy, but this is an example. So Friday, I went ahead and like did like my wake up, devotional, breakfast, going to work, lunch, all that stuff. So here's where I like make those things. I make my to-do list, like things that are a priority. And then over here, I don't fill out as much other than like when I want to do like my daily affirmations, something I'm grateful for, and then the meals that I'm going to have during the day. So since it's a new week, it has like this weekly one. I don't really use this. What is on my screen? Dang it. Okay, so yeah, I don't typically use this page, but I am going to go ahead and fill out today's, and then I'll show you all what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up the planning. Ooh, this is Monday. This is Sunday, so I was able to, this is so hard to see, hold on. Okay, this is so much better. Okay, so I went ahead and planned out the rest of Sunday. So I have a lot of things to do on my to-do list, but they're not gonna take a lot of time. It's just tedious things I need to get done before tomorrow. But I love over here where I can plan my breakfast and lunch and dinner. So today I had oatmeal and I had coffee. For lunch, I'm gonna do a turkey wrap, and then for dinner, I'm gonna do a shrimp quesadilla. And then for my snacks, I do like a cup of Honey Nut Cheerios and then a cup of popcorn at separate times, but those are my snacks. And then at the end of the day, I come in and I add how much water I drank for the day. Typically, each little water drop is like 8 ounces of water, I think. So I'm gonna definitely fill that in. And then, of course, what I love here is what I'm grateful for. Y'all, I have been like, pivot is really the word of the year for me because so much stuff has been happening, and I'm grateful that I'm able to like really redirect how the situation will go. So I had to put that there. And then I love the affirmations. So I Googled daily affirmations for Black women, and it's like over 100 affirmations that they have. So I basically just pick one. And so mine is, I will be the change I wish to see. And I really love that one. You know, I've been really trying to change up my habits and all of those things, but I'm the only one that can do it, you know, so I have to be the one to make that change if I want to see it. And then the last thing is I need to make an appointment for my second booster because I keep forgetting to do that, especially because I'm going to be traveling in the next few weeks. But yeah, so that's today. So now I am going to work on this week's meals because I need to figure out what I have in my fridge, so that because I don't really want to go grocery shopping since I went already. So hopefully I can like think up some things to make for meals this week. Camera died, so I had to charge it. But this is my meals for the week, so pretty simple. Like I said, I try to keep things to like 2 to 3 days, so I'm not eating the same thing all week. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I am gonna have to go to the grocery store just to get some frozen veggies, but other than that, I think I'm pretty good with like everything else. So can't wait to make some of these. I'm really excited for the shredded chicken tacos. We're gonna see how that turns out. I made the shrimp quesadilla yesterday. Y'all, was top tier. I'll try to insert a picture so y'all can see, but that shrimp quesadilla was amazing. So now I have a load of laundry going. I already planned out my meals, planned out my day today and tomorrow. So I'm pretty ahead of schedule because it's only 12:45. So I'm trying to get as much as I can get done now, so that way I can have the rest of the evening just to relax and chill. And during that, I'll probably just edit my YouTube video. I ordered some batteries for the Sony ZV-1 because I've heard like a lot of people say that the battery life isn't the greatest. So I ordered some more batteries, especially because I will be going out of town in a few weeks, and I want to make sure that that I have like enough batteries, so if one dies, then you know, we can just pop the other one in. So yeah. is so productive right now. It's 2:05. I've been really productive for like the last hour and a half, which I'm really proud of myself because I have my last load of laundry going and I picked out my work clothes, my gym clothes, everything. So now I'm sitting down to have lunch and let me show you what I made. So I made this like turkey wrap situation. It turned out better yesterday when I made it, but I used the spinach wrap instead of like a regular wrap. So it didn't come together all the way, but this is what it looks like. You can see, oh, look at that. Turkey, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and pickles. I was supposed to add some mustard, but I forgot and it was too late. But yeah, I'm about to enjoy this because yesterday was chef's kiss, so I know today is gonna be good. Oh yeah. It is amazing. I'm about to be making this all the time. I can't even speak how good it is. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. Best believe I'm making it again. Okay, y'all, so lunch was 10 out of 10, top tier. But I'm about to put together these 2 lamps that I got from Target yesterday. So my apartment, there's no overhead lighting in the living room / dining room area and then in my bedrooms. So I already have 2 lamps in one of my spare room, and then in my actual bedroom I just have 1, which I don't mind. I have 2 in the spare room because that's usually where I film my content. But my living room only has 2, and one of them I just don't like. It's not giving. So I went to Target and I picked up 2 lamps. They were $10, y'all. Look. These are the lamps that I got. I got them in black, and I actually already have, like, the 2 that I have in my spare room are like this one from Room Essentials, but it's gray. But I wanted to get black so it's kind of like neutral in my living room. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these up so I can figure out where I'm gonna place them because I need lighting in my apartment, especially in my living room, since that's usually where I spend most of my time. I got one up and I got it plugged into this corner over here. I really wish there was some way to like hide this, but honestly, I don't even care. But I finally got this one up and it has 3 settings. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. So I like this. I feel like it's gonna give the room a good touch of light. I do wish I had like the white, I guess like the ultra white is what it's called, bulbs, but this works. So now I have to go ahead and put the other one up. This wasn't too bad. It took me like 10 minutes to put up. I'm grateful that I have like the bulbs because I didn't think to pick them up yesterday when I was in Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one up. I forgot where I ended off, but basically I've just been sitting here. I talked to my uncle and my mom, and now I'm just kind of relaxing. I am gonna start working on planning my content. So I'm gonna show you all how I like plan my content. It's worked so far, but you know, I'm still trying to remain consistent. That's the goal for 2023, is remaining consistent. So I'm gonna show you all how I use my planner. It's also in GoodNotes. So if you have an iPad, I suggest downloading GoodNotes because you can put everything, like everything from like my digital planner to content creating, I have in GoodNotes. I paid for like whatever the version is where you can have as much like notes and documents and all that stuff. So yeah, if you don't have it, go ahead and download that because it's top tier. So in GoodNotes, I have a folder named Content Creation. I really need to change the year and just put it as Content Creation, but here it is. Oh, oh no. And here I have so much stuff. So I have like TikTok planning, week of January 23rd, TikTok ideas. So all of these things I have. So I'm gonna go up here to week of January 23rd. It's not updated, but I just wanted to show you all what I work off of. So this is the social media content planner. I bought this off of Etsy. It was like $3, but I really love it because it allows you to like plan out content for Instagram. So you can do the weekly planner for Instagram posts. So you can kind of put like, you know, you can kind of put like, you know, your picture, what photo you want to do. And then you can write down like your to-do list, goals, and it helps you keep track of like your engagement and things like that. And then if you scroll, then you have like the break. I have one for TikTok. So basically you can figure out what the idea is. And then it also has like a to-do list, goals, and weekly tracker. I use this a lot because I plan on posting more on TikTok. What I really love about this is, again, you can kind of go and it has like the breakdown for what you would do. So you have like your sound and video idea, what your caption is, hashtag links, and then kind of keep track of like whether or not you've created it and stuff like that. And then you also have your notes section. So I really like this. And then they have it for Instagram Reels as well. And so kind of similar to the Instagram feed post and TikTok, you can do the cover photo, you can do the sound, and then the video idea. Let me see if it'll focus. There we go, kind of. But yeah, it's similar to all the other ones. And then when you scroll, you know, still have that same layout that you can keep track of all the things that you want to write down for your idea. So that's what I plan on working on for the next couple, well, not really hours, but probably work on it for about an hour before I eat dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually end the vlog here just because I wanna just take some time to just work on this and not really have to think about vlogging. But hopefully you all enjoyed coming along with me on this Sunday vlog. Let me know if this is something that you enjoyed, if you wanna see more vlogs. I'm really trying to be strategic with the content I put out there. So I still am gonna focus on like natural hair content, but I also want to just document my life, you know, everyday life, and just so y'all can see kind of what I do. I actually get really excited with vlogging. So hopefully you guys like this and want to see more. As always, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click the push notification button. Until next time, bye.